So I just got my new Epiphone 1957 J200, copy of the Gibson J200. I'm going to open up the box, and hopefully it's okay, because that box is beat up like you wouldn't believe. It's got a hole on the other side. So let me open up the box and take the case out. So here it is out of the box. Yeah, look at the huge hole in that box. Here it is out of the box. See, it's got the new Epiphone inspired by Gibson Custom. So it's supposed to be a copy of the J200 Gibson. Okay, nice case. It's really big, and it's heavy. Pretty wide. So, but it's a nice case, nice traveling case. So let me open up the case. I'll flip it around and open up the case. So here it is. Nice. Look at that color. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's got the mustache bridge, just like the Gibson. The pick guard. All of pearl inlay. Okay, mother of pearl inlay. Let's see. Hopefully the neck isn't broken. Nope. Looks good. Looks good. Look at that. It's got the same shape as the Gibson, with the they call it the open book, instead of that big hump over here like the old Epiphone. But look at that. It's really nice. Yeah, nice tuning pegs. Yeah. Very nice. Let me just, look at that color. That is nice. That is beautiful. Yeah, let me flip it around. Look at that. Beautiful back. Maple, figured maple. Really nice. Look at that maple neck. Is it a maple neck? I'm not sure now. I think it is. I know it's maple back and sides with a spruce top, but it's all solid, not veneer. None of it is veneer. It's all solid. Yeah, that's got to be a maple neck. Yep. And it's got the Clouson-like. These are Epiphone Deluxe. They look like Clousons. Probably Clouson makes them. These are nice. They're pretty. Really nice. Look at that case. Look at the color on that case. That is nice. Look at that. Yeah. Look at all this case candy. I guess this is for the dealers, so they can, I don't know, the stores. They can put all these stickers. This is a sticker. That's just a card. Lifetime warranty. Download the app. Blah, blah, blah. Another sticker. This is another sticker also. Yeah. That's a sticker. That's a sticker. I like that one. This is a sticker. And this is just to, so you can do your shoulder strap, guitar strap. You can screw that onto the back or wherever. I think it's in the back over here, but I'm not going to do that. So I don't use the guitar strap most of the time, or any of the time. I just sit down. So, yeah, so that's what's in it. Nice, beautiful. Look at that case. Love that color. Yeah, really nice, sturdy, yeah, case. Wow. Yeah, but wow. I mean, if you covered this up, you'd say it's a Gibson. Well, the only thing is, Gibsons are made here. Cost more to make them here, and this one's made in China. So Let me put the case candy away. So it has the LR bags acoustic amplification, which you plug here where you hang your shoulder strap. It has a little battery compartment there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a battery, a 9-volt battery that you have to put in there. And then there's the wire. That's the plug right there that you gotta pull out a little bit. Plug the battery and then put it in the pouch. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was broken, something was broken, but then I looked online and you have to plug the battery into that little cable, the end of that. Can't see the plugs right now. It's hard to get at. And then you stick it in the little pouch. It has Velcro. Okay, take it out and Velcro it back, and then it works. Otherwise, it won't amplify. But yeah, it's the LR bags. It's supposed to be really nice. But yeah, that's a beautiful guitar. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, I'd say hurry up and get them, because I bet you anything these are gonna go up in value pretty soon. They're really well made. All right. Yeah, that sounds nice. So I have a feeling they're gonna go up in value, but then again, you never know. But it plays nice. I played it, and the action's really nice. I mean, intonation's perfect. Wow, glad I bought it. Yeah, this is a keeper. Yep, so that's it. Try to get to yours soon. I had a hard time finding it. I had to order it. I couldn't go to any store and try it, so I guess they'll start making more and shipping more pretty soon. So, but they seem to be scarce for some reason. That's it. So thanks for watching.